Hey, so my Siri remote from Apple just went out and I couldn't find one that it will actually be almost the same. I bought a couple of them before I bought the factory replacement for my Apple TV. And but this is the old one and it has the little button you can talk to it. So I I purchased a couple of them and really not so great. So I order one, right? And let's open it up, the package. And this one is actually from Apple, but I bought it in Amazon. I'll send the link right to it. This is an Apple product, so let's open it up, and we'll find out how it works. Let's see. Wow. All right, cool. So this is pretty cool. All right, so let's open it up, and this one is compatible with 4K modules, so it should be just fine. Let's see. Haha, I can't even open it up. Oh, there he is. Oops. Anyway, so this is the remote, and it's the exact replacement from it, so it's pretty good. I mean, I was just tired of the other one not working correctly sometimes. I don't know, maybe it's just kind of the design of it. I don't know if it's good or not, but it had it for about 4 or 5 years, and it finally went out. So this cost me, not too expensive, but I'll put the link right below it. So please just go in there and see if you can check it out. All right.